Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to speak a little bit about this is a brand new channel. I'm trying to start here to give everybody more more or less an idea of what it is that you're getting into when you're dealing with letters of credits. A lot of people don't have a clue what a letter of credit is. It's international banking tool, pretty much, that's to be dealt with international banks, domestic banks here in the U.S. And of course, there's always a buyer on the other end, and there's a seller in the USA. Now, before I get started, it's just a little bit of tutorials that little things that you should know. For example, if you're gonna embark in that kind of transaction, international sales transaction or trade industry, you have to know what you're doing first of all, because in most cases the letter of credit is gonna be open without you even knowing what you're agreeing to or what you're accepting, and your money is gonna be pretty much in jeopardy. In other words, it's the material that you're selling, the goods that you're selling, it's going to be at a high risk of the payment coming through if you don't know what you're doing or who you're dealing with. Now, if this is a transaction that you're dealing with somebody or an entity overseas that you already know, for example, that you're used to dealing with, let's just say open account shipments, etc., etc. Well, a letter of credit coming into play, or for whatever reason it is, sometimes it's government mandates overseas, to keep corruption in the black market, from reaching the goods, or from, pretty much money laundering, etc., etc. So, if you need help, anyways, with letters of credits, you can always look me up. I work with one of the biggest company here in the U.S. that it's involved with letters of credits. I work for the Int'l Trade department. I'm a documentation specialist, export documentation specialist, and I deal with letters of credits. That is my main daily routine, pretty much. So I deal with the U.S. banks, and technically you really cannot deal with the international banks because it's really difficult to reach them, but there is a way to reach to them through the U.S. banks that are involved in the transactions. So if you're having difficulties collecting your money, let's just say that you shipped and you didn't know what you were shipping against, for example, whatever conditions you couldn't meet on the letter of credit, and now your money's stuck. Your goods are stuck, or somebody has a hold of your goods already and your money's stuck. Well, there's always a way to salvage this kind of transactions, but you have to know what you're doing. Again, this kind of transactions involve different banks, different entities, different companies. It's just a whole bunch of third parties that come together to make everything happen, make the payment happen, make the delivery of the goods happen, and everybody's happy at the end of the day. But you can't be trying to screw each other over, and in most cases the buyers are always trying to screw the sellers over, the buyers overseas, depending on what country we're dealing with. But anyways, so again, these transactions are very thorough, very difficult. If you don't know what you're doing, seek some help, seek somebody that knows what they're doing. I've been doing this for 15 to 20 years now, so I've been in the industry for quite a long time, and a couple of $100 is not going to hurt you, more than the marriage fee invoice, or customer asking for a big discount, for example, or even you not getting paid for your goods. So either way, my name is Jose Menjuar. I'm a documentation specialist, export documentation specialist, and I've been in the industry for a long time, so I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm talking about. If you need help, look me up. You can reach me 713-446-6035, 713-446-6035, and I'm willing to help you out. Of course, there's always a fee involved, but like I said, the small amounts you're gonna pay here are nothing compared to what you're gonna pay overseas once your goods are stuck. Well, everybody have a good day, and we'll be talking again. See you again. If you need to talk to me, reach me out.